Hello guys, today I have a tutorial on the hot water trick, the trick by famous Cristiano Ronaldo. What it basically does is it breaks into your boot automatically. Because it's used by players, because professionals, they get new boots I think every game, so they'll probably need to break in quickly. I would not recommend doing it, but if it's really needed, you could do it. The best thing for the boot is to use a synthetic boot, like this one here. Do not use leather because that can peel the leather. Okay, we'll get to it now. First, you'll need a kettle. You're gonna need a lot of water. Sorry. You're gonna need a lot of water, probably about 1 to 2 liters. One to 2 liters of boiling water. I'm just gonna wait for that. I'll just grab the boot. Actually, I'll leave it there. What you also need is a bucket, like this one. You're gonna need that. I'll take that out. Yeah. Lots of people ask questions like, does the hot water trick ruin your boot? In some cases it can, sometimes it doesn't. Depends what kind of boot you have. I really wouldn't recommend it. But if it's something urgent, like I'm doing it because I have trials for my goalkeeping club tomorrow. So and these are new boots, so I'm gonna need that. But the thing is with the hot water trick, it's basically a gamble. Because where it's connected, in there is made out of glue, so that could destroy your boot and remove the sole from the actual boot itself. Okay. Just wait for the water to boil. Be careful with how hot the water is. You can actually burn yourself. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna put some cold water to mix it. Lots of people ask stuff like, how hot is the water? It actually, you'd need actual hot water, not warm. I'll put a bit of cold water there so I don't burn myself, so it mixes in and it doesn't be that hot. And what I'll do is, I'll leave the boot in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes, and it should be fine. When the hot water trick is finished, do not let it dry out in the sun, because that will actually peel the material, and you do not want that to happen, because yeah. I was supposed to use my Addy Pures, but I didn't want to destroy the leather. So yeah, it's nearly done boiling. I will actually grab one of my other boots. Just leave the camera like that. People actually ask me as well to use my Predators. Where? And yeah, just wait for that to boil. Nearly done. Sorry if the camera isn't that good and my voice isn't that clear, because I'm actually just using my iPad. Okay. Okay, so first thing you need to do in the hot water trick is you grab your boot and you let it soak in the hot water for about 3 to 4 minutes. Yep. So one thing also, do never use a leather cleat for this for this trick. Always use a synthetic, because the leather, if you leather and hot water do not really mix well together. And when this thing is done, never put it out to dry. I'd recommend putting the boot on straight away. Sometimes the hot water can wear off. The hot water trick can wear off, but if you want to do it before your games, do it for about 2 to 3 minutes every time. Now, since the top of it's done, that's actually pretty hot. I'm just gonna let it soak there. I will actually go get the boot, the other cleat, so I can show you the difference at the end. So here I have the other pair of the boot right here. Right now the material, it's pretty hard. It's not that hard, but it's easy to press down. It's slightly solid, just like out here with the Predator. It's solid. And when this boot is finished, I will show you the result compared to that. Okay, I'll take the boot out now. Be careful when doing this because it's actually very hot, the water. Just put that there. Okay, so here we have the boot. We have the boot comparing to that boot. This one's a bit cleaner because it's been in the hot water. This one, pressing it, you have to use a bit of strength just to push down. But with this one, it just completely falls through. Even at the top, it just completely drops. Here, to put it all the way, if I just drop my hand on it, it will go in, but with this one, drop my hand on it, it will stay. So this is basically the hot water trick. The sole is a bit more flexible. Slightly. It's easier to run in. It's pretty good. I wouldn't recommend doing it, but if you're gonna do it, make sure you have new cleats. And when you're done, put it on straight away. And thanks for watching, and peace.